Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration bypass. So I need to put about u equals to s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to the s dv. We have sine of 2s minus 1 ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative 1 over 2 cosine of 2s minus 1. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v. So negative and negative, you got positive. And we have the integration cosine of 2s minus 1 ds. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 sine of 2s minus 1, and I will put about c. 1 over 2, 1 over 2, we have 1 over 4. Oh, sorry, that's side. This is the end. Thank you for watching.